We're gonna use our discard to make some sourdough biscotti. I'm gonna use the recipe from Farmhouse on Boone. Just put a quarter of a cup of olive oil in our mixer bowl. 1 1/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar. My 1/3 cup here. So we're gonna mix together the olive oil and the brown sugar. Put in 2 large eggs, one at a time. Scrape down the sides as we go. Now we're supposed to put in our almond extract and our vanilla bean extract. I'm gonna use this vanilla bean paste today and give it a try. This is from Vanilla Bean Kings. I am gonna give this, I've never used vanilla paste before, so we're gonna try and see what this is like in the biscotti. Calls for a teaspoon of vanilla extract, so I'm gonna use a teaspoon of the vanilla paste. You see that? It's like, I'm gonna have it linked down below if you're interested. It calls for a teaspoon of almond extract because it's pumpkin spice season, right? We're gonna doctor this up just a little bit. I'm gonna put some nutmeg. I feel like it needs a little. We're gonna doctor it up just a bit. We're gonna use a little bit of ground cinnamon. I don't know, not that much. I really love ground cardamom. It's so good. So I'm gonna put just a little bit in there. We're just gonna give it a little something extra, you know. We're gonna keep blending. This stuff smells good. I think I'm gonna make ice cream with this weekend. Now we're supposed to put in 1/2 cup of sourdough starter / discard. That's the right amount right there. Good job, Kim. Way to go. We're so proud of you. Anybody else pep talk themselves like that? Just me? 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so you want 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Just turn it, let it go, you know, just a few turns. You don't want to over mix this. I'm gonna do 1 cup of almonds. If you have raw almonds, you need to toast them in the oven first. These are already toasted. We're gonna put those in and give them just a quick mix, not a lot, just enough to incorporate the almonds. We're gonna let this sit a little while so it's not so sticky. Now they go in the refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes. Preheating the oven to 350. You stay in the oven for about 30 minutes. All right, cooked for 30 minutes. We let it sit for about 15, 20-ish minutes. We're gonna slice it. Continue to bake these until the dough isn't sticky anymore. These are close to being done, so we're gonna flip them over. Continue to bake them. Our biscotti are done now. They will continue to harden and get crunchy and crispy like traditional biscotti. You can then take and dip them in chocolate if you want to, or, you know, drizzle chocolate on them. We love to eat them with hot tea or like with our coffee. So yummy.